she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Trophy. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Hermosa hair. They have a new wig that just dropped, a total game changer. So I'm showing you guys everything that they sent over in the packaging. A lot of goodies, lashes, nails, makeup brushes, wig cap, you know, everything that you need for a complete install. I will be putting this wig on straight out the bag, so I'm just opening it and showing you guys what it is. This is their 360 water wave wig with the hidden strap. It's 26 inches and it's 180% density. This fits better than a normal 360 lace, and you can even have a glueless install with it. As you can see, the hidden strap is adjustable. Those things you can pull so that the lace isn't detectable. So like if you do like a ponytail or something, you won't see the lace whenever you lifting the hair up. It kind of camouflages it and it like scrunches it in so it's not detectable. So that's why you can even wear it glueless. You don't have to worry about adding glue or anything to the back of your head. To start my install, I'm going to start by tinting the lace. The lace is already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I'm just tinting it so it can match my skin tone. So I'm using my Even Lace tinting spray, and then I'm going to also use a little bit of my foundation color. For this install, I will be adding a little bit of spray because I did plan on wearing the wig all day and I didn't want it to go anywhere. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of spray to the lace along the hairline. Then I'm going to put the elastic band on top of it and let that sit for a while. Okay, now we're going to add some water to the hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This is the water wave hair. The waves are just like so effortless. Yes, you really don't need to add a lot of water to it because it's just like naturally like that. But y'all know how I am. I like to just work with the hair and make sure it is styled to my liking. So we're going to do kind of like a flip over type of style. I didn't really do like a part or anything, so I'm just making sure everything is saturated, and then once it's saturated, I'm gonna go over the hair with my mousse. The mousse I always use because it's kind of like a little coat, a barrier, because if you're playing your hair too much, if you manipulate it too much, it kind of gets frizzy. So whenever I put the mousse on, I don't have that problem at all. So I'm going to take the elastic band off just for a little while, and then I'm just going to complete my baby hairs, and then I'm going to put the elastic band back on because I want that to stay on so my lace can be melted as good as possible. Now I'm just going to pull a little bit of hair to the front, just a very small amount. I'm just going to frame my face. So I'm just going to pull like 2 small pieces that will be closest to my face out. And then I'm going to cut a very light layers in the front just so that I can have some dimension and it can frame my face perfectly. Now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like when it's wet, and then I'll be back in 1 second. Just 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like air dried. Here we go. The hair is air dried. It's beautiful, and I'm just gonna take everything off. This hair is really pretty. It's absolutely perfect for vacation, summertime. You don't have to worry about dealing with your hair too much. Summertime curls is where it's at. This hair has so much body. As you can see, it's just like very light and airy and movable. This is what the back looks like. It's 180% density, so it is a lot of hair, which we love. And whenever I was dealing with it, I didn't have any shedding or anything like that, so that's great as well. So I just pull my hair up to show you guys the hidden straps. They're on both sides, and you just pull it so that like your hair isn't showing and the lace isn't showing, and it kind of camouflages. So I'm just pulling it, and then after I pull it, I'm just gonna tuck it underneath. So I'm just pulling it to make sure it's nice and secure, and after I do that, I'm just gonna tuck it underneath, so then you wouldn't be able to see the lace or anything. And I just pull my hair up into like a little bun, and I'm gonna turn around to show you guys that you're not able to see any lace or anything when you're wearing your hair up. I was just showing you guys that you can wear like a half up, half down style. You can do a lot of different stuff. You can do like a claw clip, because I know claw clips are very popular nowadays. People wearing like little claw clip styles. This is perfect for that. You don't have to worry about your lace showing in the back when you got on the claw clip. So because it is hot outside, y'all. It is a hot summer, so you don't want to have your hair all in your face, all on your back, sweating and stuff. So this is the perfect wig for that. This 360 wig is where it's at. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig, I will have all links down below to Hermosa hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.